The field headers appear in the pivot table and they appear with the labels column labels, row labels. Sometimes I don't want to see the field headers. So on the Pivot Table Tools Options tab in the ribbon to the very far right in the Show group, you can turn off the field headers. When I turn them off, column labels and row labels disappears. When I click the button Field Headers and turn them back on, they reappear. Sometimes I'd like to give these a more descriptive name. For example, if I click on column labels, I might change this to say Departments and enter. If I click on row labels, I might change this to say Last Name and enter. And this is more descriptive of my row and column headings. What I can then do also is I can filter out certain departments. For example, if I click the Department drop-down, I can filter this field. I might untick Select All, and instead I'd like to see the Automotive and the Mechanical departments only. When I click OK, those are the two departments that I'm seeing. If I then want to filter the pivot table further by last name, I'll click the Last Name field drop-down. I might untick Select All, and I'm only interested in Devon and Dewey. So I'll scroll down, looking for those last names, Devon and Dewey. When I click OK, my pivot table is just showing me the average actual and the average target values for the Automotive and Devon and Dewey. So it would appear that Devon and Dewey do not belong to the Mechanical department. If I wish to clear my filter, I'll click the drop down on Department and I'll clear the filter from Department. If I hit the drop down on Last Name, I can clear the filter from Last Name. So not only can we filter a pivot table by the report filter fields, we can also filter a pivot table by the fields.